So sometimes your mailbox key stops working, and no matter what you squirt in there, it just doesn't work. Instead of replacing a $60 mailbox, you can get another screwdriver. It's called a screwdriver. And for about $7 at your local big box store, you can get a kit that looks like this. They have different size, they have different size latches inside there. And it's really easy. I'm going to try and get this. It's really easy to undo it. It's just one Phillips head screw. And the whole thing pulls apart, theoretically. Sorry, this pin over here, there's a flap over here. That pulls out. And your whole assembly pops out. Your new assembly, new pin, new keys. This one comes with a nut. Just found a socket. It's not very tight, doesn't have to be done very tight. Unscrew it. Comes with a lock washer. Make sure your plates are about the same size, and they are. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. There's a little square. You got to make sure that that is set on the square inside there so that the key can turn it. If you're enjoying this video series, or you would like to continue learning to save money by doing small home repairs yourself, please consider subscribing to this channel. But more importantly, like this video. It tells me that you're enjoying this type of content, and I'll keep making these videos. If there's something you would like to see demonstrated and I have the ability, let me know in the comments down below. Pull that through. Get your new slide. And there's that bracket right there. And push it up and in. And it'll be nice and tight in there. That goes on. Your lock washer goes on. Put your nut back on. Gotta learn how to work with my hand in there, sorry. This sits down in the square to hold it in place, and then the lock washer goes on, and then your nut goes on. And you tighten that all into place. Now, this isn't the original, it's got a little bit of play, but we're gonna test the keys and make sure the new keys work. And it does not. That's what we're gonna do. Do. I may have put that on there upside down. It's okay when you're doing things. You're learning things on your own. I think I put it on there upside down. So you just take it apart, flip it over, put it all back together. Make sure that's seated. Now you can see it looks like it's going to go in there. So we're going to test the key. And our door is nice and tight again. So you can see there's a little bit of play, but it doesn't twist either way. There's just a little bit of play. So that is how you too can change out the lock on your mailbox and not spend $50 on a mailbox. It's a $10 fix. This was $6.50.